Hello everyone, this is Nas, and welcome back. Today is day 2, and where we left off is still in stage 1, focus on high similarity and alphabet session. Yeah, let's dive right in. Alright, here's where we stop at, and seems we're missing something, missing a date right here. There's a date, but we should mention it, day 1 right here. So me write it down first. This is day 1, right? Day A. 1. How to write 1. Okay, day 1. And now we focus on day 2. So I just write day 2 here. And yeah, for better view, because we have different section. First is alphabet, and then we write numbers, then punctuation. So I just write alphabet here for day 2. Okay, and let's start the challenge again. Alphabet uppercase. Maybe we would try some lowercase. Maybe. Let's see. Yesterday I was writing the two a little bit fast and a little bit shameful that it is not as good as kindergarten level. As you can see above, let me see. Let's see. It's not looking well, but yeah, we can fix that after. Hmm, Uh, G, just take it slow. And I should write it in a soft way. I was pushing too hard yesterday because I did a little bit revision of the camera that I should write it, you know, not too harsh, not too soft. That's what we do in our life, right? Yeah, K and L and M. Slow is the key. Always is the key. Little bit circle. That's actually not bad. And P, Q, R. I'm pretty enjoying it. It's so fun, dude. We're actually back into the school with you. No, that looks like a V. Cross, Y, and Z. Well, a little bit improvement as you can see, a little bit. Not that shaky, you see. A little bit shaky, a little bit swelling effect on this edge. Yep. So, yeah, let's focus on second line is A and B and C. We are not focused on speed. I just want to slow it down and increase its similarity and just that. No big deal. And G. Uh, slow, slowly. Like you first start learning walking. Oh, but we don't actually know. We don't we don't have the memory of the walking situation in our first time. And other M's felt a little bit soft too. M N O P Q. Circle. A circle is so hard to draw. Maybe there will be a session for drawing. And T U oops V W X Y and Z. Yeah, it's not bad, but there's still a lot of work on it. Let's focus on one more line for uppercase. Then we will have one more line for lowercase. How about that, huh? A. I found out if you use your fingers to control the pen's movement, you can actually do a really good curve. Actually, that's what we did on our right hand, but I'm just trying to copy techniques on my right hand, even the writing style of G. Learning a skill is really cool. Not gonna lie. Ah, that H. So how to draw a straight line? J, K, L, N, O, O, P, Q, R, R. Almost there. S, T. This is still a little bit unstable. Wait. If I'm too slow, it's it's hard to control still. If I'm too slow, I can't actually draw a straight line. I don't know why. Let's figure it out later maybe. We're still on the track. Learning. In progress. How about lowercase? Ooh, okay. Eh, And actually I got comments on my yesterday video. That was so great. Those are motivated comments, dude. I almost so love it, dude. And thank you guys for coming here. We can do some challenges here together, to enrich our life. Yeah. And oh, this is weird. It's like, okay, that's fine. I, J, K, L, M, M, and O, P, Q. Whoops. Holy, this is a little bit hard. Okay, with a little bit circular motion down here. Huh. S and T. Well, this S is too little big, huh? Not that S, but letter S. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Wow. Okay. Actually, let's take a look at this. Well, a little bit huge improvement on day two. I mean, the uppercase, but on the lowercase, you can see to my Mo model, there are huge differences, especially, with some curve writing style here. Y here and some Q, letter Q here is a little bit huge difference. Now it's so hard, but yeah, we will work on this on tomorrow. And thank you guys for watching and take care of yourself. This is very important. And yeah, don't forget to like, subs, and share the videos, and yeah, comment is important because let me know what I need to improve, like some audio, some stuff, my speech. I don't know. Yeah, let's see you tomorrow. Thank you.